Hey, what's going on, guys? And in this short video, I would like to share with you how I made just about $2,000 online from home with affiliate marketing. Now, first off, I just want to say thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. Feel free to hit the subscribe button at any time. And if you're going to subscribe, please hit that bell to receive notifications on future videos. So let's get to it. If you look here, I'm in my back office of the affiliate program that I'm joined in, and it's called Legendary Marketer, as you can see on my screen here. I've only been with them just a couple of months so far, and like I'm going to show you here, if you look where my mouse pointer is highlighted in red, $1,964 in the last 7 days. Over the last 30 days, $2,061.80. And like I said, within just a few months online, I've been able to generate $9,778.80. Now, this is all from home. I do this whenever I want on my own time. And it feels great to have the freedom to work when I want, spend all the time with my kids and my wife. There's really nothing more valuable to that than me. Most likely for you, if you're married with children as well. Now, I want to tell you why I got started with Legendary Marketer. If you look here, once you get going, I'm going to go over to the products. That way you can see all the high-level training we have in our back office that you get access to immediately upon signing up with Legendary Marketer. We'll just click through that real fast. Waiting for it to load up here. Let's see what's going on. I don't know why it's not loading up. There we go. All your training is located under the Legendary Marketers Club. There we go. We'll move my little screen share out of the way here for a second. Maybe it's better off over here. Okay, so right now you can see there's all these courses that you're given to once you sign up for a club membership. You got everything from Facebook ads to Instagram down here. You got YouTube, you got Facebook fan page formula. So a whole plethora of training for you to tap into to help you build your business as an online marketer. The best part about this is that you don't have to have any experience whatsoever. You can be totally new in the game, as I was as an internet marketer. And basically, I've learned everything in this system. I've applied what I've learned and took action on a daily basis, on a consistent basis, and I've been able to generate the type of income that I showed you before, as I said, within just a few short months. Now, let me flip over to our private Facebook group that you get access to, that you can join upon becoming a club member. And let me just show you what happens in here. Now, this is pretty amazing stuff. Now, if you look here, if you see right here where the red pointer is, that's David Sharp. He is the CEO and founder of Legendary Marketer. And if you look here, every time somebody makes a big sale, he's going to congratulate and post what they made in the group. So this first post actually isn't from a sale. This is just from a member upgrading to a higher level product of a marketer and entrepreneur mastermind education. But as we go down, you're going to see we got Ryan Niskanen for earning up to $1,000 commission. We can go down a little more. Nick Anderson and Kyle Lee Weber for $1,000 commission. We'll go down a little more. We got Michael here with, look at this. It's up to $6,000 in commissions. Now we go down a little bit more. We got Mark over here, $1,000 commission. If we go down a little more, we got Jay Brown earning up to $7,000 in commissions for upgraded sales. We'll just keep going for a minute just so you can see a little more. We got Jeff Ermacher here, $2,800 commissions. We got Jay Brown again for not one, but two. He's got a $2,000 plus a $3,200 commission on two different product sales. If we go down just a little bit more, we're going to see Michael again. We just saw him before for $2,000 commissions on sales. Now I'm just going down through the list because I want to show you something here. Let's keep going. We got Nathan Lucas for $1,000 commission on upgraded sales. And this is the one I wanted to get to so I could show you that this is happening for me too. congratulations to Scott Stanford for earning up to $1,000 commissions. Now, that's me. I'm Scott Stanford, and I'm sharing this with you today. Now, really, the best part about what you're seeing here on all these big ticket commissions, all these $1,000, $2,000, $6,000, $3,200, whatever you're seeing here, we're not actually making the sales. Now, we brought people into the system via our affiliate link that were provided once getting signed up. And once that person became a lead that was tagged to us in our affiliate ID, legendary marketer David Sharp has been emailing all of our leads on a 45-day email follow-up sequence. Now, once one of those leads become a club member, they go through a 15-core step training, and it instructs them to call their coach along the way for guidance. And the coaches actually will reach out to them as well. And our success coaches are professional trained salespeople that are selling the products to make you these giant commissions, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 3,200, and so forth. So all you're doing is driving traffic to your affiliate links, and that's really it. There's nothing else you have to do with this program. Now, I'm not going to tell you that you need to get involved with this program. That's going to be totally up to you. There's a lot of great companies out there, but I've looked at a lot of them, and when I came across Legendary Marketer, I knew this was the company for me. David Sharp is a total stand-up guy, and he's been building an empire. I mean, we are about 10,600 members strong right now, and when I got involved a couple months ago, we were only about 3,200 members strong. So this is growing at an extremely rapid pace. People are getting involved left and right, and you can see various different people are all making big time money with this program. That's what I love about it. Anybody can do this. Like I said, all you do is you come in, you go through your 15 core steps, you stay in contact with your coach for guidance, and it'll help you along the way. And then you go to your Legendary Marketers Club and start going through the training. You learn everything you can about Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, free strategies, paid marketing strategies, and all of this will help you to propel your business forward. And as long as you're taking action consistently, you can achieve results just like this, just like me, and just like many other people involved in Legendary Marketer. Now, I just wanted to keep this video nice and short. I wanted to show you really what you can do if you just are willing to learn, you're willing to be coached. Also, one last thing, every Monday night we run a free live training webinar. Now, this is great because we bring the coaches on all the time. They do live trainings every Monday night, and basically they give us their training that they want us to know. Then mic is open. We post our questions in our Facebook group on the live stream, and they answer our questions right then and there on the spot. They clarify anything that they need, that we need, rather, I should say. And by the time you're done with each webinar, you're going to feel like you learned something new. And the best part about that is all you got to do from there is apply what you've learned, and success could as well be yours too. And who doesn't want to be successful? I know I do. So pretty much that's it. That's all I got for you today. Like I said, if you want to get involved with Legendary Marketer and you want to start your own online business and earn commissions of $1,000 or more, potentially up to $2,000 in a week or even higher, depending on how fast you learn and how fast you apply your knowledge, I will leave a link in the description below. Go ahead and through, and you can learn a lot more about Legendary Marketer from there. I just want to say thank you very much for watching. Again, my name is Scott Stanford. I hope you found some value in this video. And again, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you need to, you could shoot me a comment in the comment box. I'll gladly respond to you as soon as I can. And from there, like I said, a link in the description. Please subscribe, hit that bell for future notifications. Thank you very much for watching. Peace and blessings to everybody. Thank you.